I'm coming! Happy Guy Fawkes Day! Here's the bonfire. It is Guy Fawkes Day and we are attempting to burn the terrorist at stake. And the terrorist will burn, burned by Seth. Oh, I think some of the children are a little alarmed by the fun and festivity. Lyman is not afraid of the fire. Yeah, this is a very hot fire. The babies are unconcerned. That is wild. If only the camera could really fully capture this for you, but I'm afraid it cannot.